Well, America, we just got done for today. We just get everything set up for our inspector. So we're just waiting for him for tomorrow. Remember, guys, we cannot do anything without the inspector to be here. So we need the inspector no matter what. We need our inspector or CWI to be here. That way we can be able to work. That way we can be able to do any spark or anything. Any arc. I'm just bringing you a new update, fellas. New beautiful update on this amazing job on the 1.8 seismic critical demand wells. So take care, fellas. Be careful out there. So we just got done for today. We got everything set up for tomorrow morning. We got our propane bottle to preheat. We got our suitcases ready with all the welding, all the welding machines. Remember, I got my brother Oscar now. I got my brother Oscar. So now we are 2 iron workers, flux core welders. I've been in the business, on the iron worker business, since 2006. That's where I first started, laying deck for maybe 6-7 months, Monday through Sunday. 13, no less than 12 hours and no more than 14 hours a day back then. So just imagine yourselves, guys, working 7 months straight without taking a break. I mean, you know, we was taking a break whenever we got bad weather, but other than that, we was working about 14 hours a day back then in 2006, sorry. And then on 2007, 2008, and all these years coming up to 2025. So we've been doing iron worker and a lot of moment connection welding. I've been doing a lot of hospitals and I've been doing a lot of skyscrapers. Beautiful, fellas. Have a wonderful day. And God bless you and God bless America. Have a good one.